around tomorrow afternoon.
Oh, it's going to get really messy. I mean, we're talking about a thump of snow before changing over to ice and rain. Have you heard this story before?
A little bit.
I know, right? Well, we do have some winter storm watches, advisories, and warnings in place. This begins tomorrow afternoon and continues through Wednesday morning, although I am anticipating to see improvements by Wednesday morning. I expect most of Tuesday morning to be dry, but once you get into the afternoon and by 2, 3 o'clock in the Boston area, snow starts to come down, sticking as temperatures are below freezing, and by that evening commute, really going to see some lower visibility, snowfall rates of 1 to 2 inches an hour, and some treacherous travel on those untreated surfaces. By 10 o'clock, still high impact north and west, but we'll already see a transition over to sleet and rain across the southeast, and sure enough, a full transition to scattered showers by Wednesday morning as the system moves on through. So where is it? Just developing as you head through the Mississippi Valley here. We'll gain some energy from the west coast, a piece of energy that came in late yesterday, and it will evolve and head northeastward. High pressure to our north, that's keeping us dry for the most part, despite some lake effect snow showers. You can see they sort of just dry up in that very dry atmosphere, but it's also going to allow for temperatures to drop as we go through the overnight hours. So right now we're in the 20s and 30s this afternoon. That's where we're at. A mix of sun and clouds, more sun to the north, and may see improvement as we go through the afternoon. The clouds do fill back in tonight, and there are those cold conditions from high pressure to the north with winds out of the north. We're back into the teens inland, around 20 at the coast. So let's play it out for you. Tuesday morning looking okay. By your lunch hour, mostly cloudy, temperatures in the 20s below freezing all across the board, and you're starting to notice the first snowflakes moving into southern New England. Advances into the Boston area as we go through the afternoon. 5 o'clock, most of us seeing snow. Heavy snow, limiting visibility, but see this area of pink here? That's indicating that freezing rain, sleet mix. That pushes into the Boston area between 7, 8 o'clock, and eventually up towards New Hampshire by midnight. And by midnight, we've already flipped over to rain in Boston and across the southeast. So any minor accumulations on Tuesday evening across parts of the Cape and Islands likely getting washed away. And a lot of that getting washed away by Wednesday early morning commute as temperatures rise into the upper 30s, low 40s. Still an icy mixed snow further north and west you travel, and that's where we'll see some of the highest totals. But by midday Wednesday, most of this is all done. So about 6 to 9 inches north and west, may even encounter parts of northern Worcester County, but 3 to 6 north and west of the city with 1 to 3 down across the southeast getting washed away over the Cape and Islands. On top of that snow, a crusty layer of ice is possible too, just because of that sleet and freezing rain. So be aware of the very slippery travel. Winds too, they may be a bit gusty as the system comes through, but that will only turn out of the west, and that will push temperatures into the 40s. So by Wednesday, we are talking about those temperatures into the mid-40s, staying in the 40s through the rest of the week, looking fantastic for your Valentine's Day. But Friday into Saturday, yet another system could be heading our way, but this one looks to be mainly rain and wind.
Well, this is a beautiful little bird that popped up in a rather unexpected place.
Employees at a Pet Boys Auto Repair